Okay, so in person you can easily see it. I don't know why the camera is having such a difficult. There, you can see, so we're pulling in 48 watts. And you can see it charging on the left. But yeah, overall, a really nice power bank. This is the ALLPOWERS portable power station, my friends. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. We're gonna test it out and we're gonna show you guys the features and see if we like it or not. Right away, we can show you guys how everything comes packaged. So you got all your little manuals inside a little packet. You got some supplies in here, which we will go over. You can see that they take pride in their products. They protect it with this very big foam piece, which is excellent. So I'm actually digging the color. I'm not sure how it's gonna show up on camera, but in person, it's more like a cream color, which I definitely love that. On here, you have wireless charging. Output is 15 watts. You have a light right here. You have a 12 volt, 10 amp socket, or I should say port right in here. Let's go ahead and switch our cameras. That way you can see the fine details. Okay, we dropped the lighting down. That way you guys can actually really see how nice this is. You got 2 Type-C ports, 2 USB ports. The Type-Cs are 100 watt ports. The USBs are 18 watts. You have 2 AC outlets, which are protected by this little flap here. So you can plug in here. You got 2 of them and they're both grounded. Your power button is right on here. So you press and hold to turn it on. You're gonna be able to see your battery indicator on the left side there. Now there's gonna be a little film here. We're gonna go ahead and take that off so there's not as bad reflection. So here you guys can see. It's gonna show you your input watts, your output watts, and how many days or hours or minutes you have left when something's plugged in. Here's the light. As you guys can see, it is super bright, like super bright. Press and hold for emergency mode. So you can just change through different modes. Again, if you want to use your Type-Cs or USB ports, you press this button right here. That turns this section on. You can turn it off. If you want to use the AC outlets, you press the AC button right on here. And that also will work with the 12 volt, so that's kind of all connected, I believe. Here we can see on the sides, very nice breathability. On the back, nice and sleek. Now here we have on the side here. This has AC overload protection. It has AC charge, 100 to 120 volts, 4 amps max. And then solar input is on here as well. So, wow, they got they got that in there pretty hard. There we go. It's probably because it's still brand new. So you can see here you have your circuit breaker reset. This is how you're going to charge the device if you want to connect it to your regular outlet. Okay, let's show you guys here the accessories. So they give you your solar cable already. So you would connect this to a solar panel and plug that directly right in like that. Or if you want to charge it with your standard 3-prong outlet, you would just simply plug this in like this, and then plug this in to any 3-prong outlet. So here we have a solar panel going up to the unit here, and we can take a look right here. Oh my word, that sun is bright, my friends. Wow, it can't even see. Okay, let's put this in somewhere that's shaded where you guys can actually see it charging. Okay, So in person you can easily see it. I don't know why the camera is having such a difficult. There, you can see, so we're pulling in 48 watts. And you can see it charging on the left. But yeah, overall, a really nice power bank. I think you guys are going to be happy with this. Great portable.